In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research keywords and write an affiliate article with AI. We'll go from keyword discovery all the way to publishing a polished post that's useful for readers and optimized for search. The goal here is not just to create content quickly, but to create content that matches user intent, builds trust, and gives your article a better chance of ranking. Start by opening Semrush and researching keywords related to your affiliate topic. Enter broad terms in your niche and look through the keyword ideas that come up. As you do this, focus on finding keywords with a good balance of search volume and competition. You want terms people are actually searching for, but that still feel realistic for your site to target. Next, review the search intent behind each keyword. This part is very important because the best keyword is not always the one with the highest volume. Look at whether the searcher wants information, comparisons, reviews, or a buying recommendation. For affiliate content, keywords with commercial or comparison intent often work especially well. Once you've reviewed your options, choose one primary keyword and a few related keywords that support the same topic. Then export the list or copy it somewhere easy to access, since you'll use it in the writing stage. Now open ChatGPT and give it your primary keyword, your related keywords, and a short description of your target audience. This helps the outline feel more focused and relevant. Ask ChatGPT to create a detailed article outline, then read through it carefully. If any important section is missing, add it before moving on. A strong outline makes the drafting process much smoother and helps prevent thin or repetitive content. After that, ask ChatGPT to draft the article one section at a time. Working section by section gives you more control over quality and tone. As you review each part, add your own advice, examples, and personal experience. This is what makes the article more original and more helpful, instead of sounding generic. Before publishing anything, verify all factual and product-related claims. If you mention features, pricing, benefits, or limitations, make sure they are accurate and up to date. Then insert your affiliate links naturally, only where they genuinely help the reader take the next step. To finish the article, add clear headings, internal links, relevant images, and a proper disclosure so readers understand your affiliate relationship. Then create an SEO title and meta description that reflect the topic clearly and encourage clicks. Finally, proofread the entire article, clean up any awkward phrasing, and publish it once everything looks complete, accurate, and reader-friendly.